All right, last call for answers. Last call for answers. What is the international standard for p-values? Fatima is also going to go with the 0.05. Wow, okay. Oh, casual economist. What have I done for you to treat me so disrespectfully? It's a trick question? Do you guys know me to do trick questions? I'm so offended. I am deeply, deeply offended. I would never give you, I have never once in my life on this chat ever given you guys a trick question. And yet you treat me so disrespectfully on a Saturday morning. You're going to affect my whole weekend with this injury. Like, you have affected my mental health, Casual Econ. Accusing me of trick question. Guys, I might need a moment. Yassine said, get this man his Emmy. Emmy? Emmy? Yassine, that's for the little people. Academy Award, baby. Academy Award. Emmy's beginner level. You offend me, Yassine. Emmy is like the participation trophy. Academy Award, baby.